shoot that together. This is the bathroom. And that's another bedroom. All the way to go into the old house. Front door is over here. Down there. Closet here. Over here. And the sunroom is this area here. It's gonna be good. And the sun's just going down now. Okay, get it? Okay, so this is the last wall to do.